Hey everyone, I'm posting this on my YouTube channel, my primary YouTube channel, Good Creative Academy, but you might be enrolled in some of my Udemy courses as well. If not, check out the preview videos here on this channel. But a lot of students wonder, how can I get updates about the course? Regardless of whether you're in our drawing courses, painting, Photoshop, InDesign, logo design, graphic design, and so on. If you're in one or more of our courses, when you're signed in on Udemy and you're going through the course, the different sections here, and the video players over here, look in the top right-hand corner here. If you click those three dots there and go to new announcement emails and promotional emails. Currently, we can send up to 2 promotional emails per month per course. I don't send too many. I don't send 2 per course separately, out of the 13 courses I have so far published. So I do suggest you subscribe to those if you're interested in new courses that we launch, whether they be about photography or more Adobe programs or expanded topics in design, art, and so on. And new announcement emails, that refers to educational announcements. So if Adobe updates a tool, we can add that video to the course so it's updated with the most accurate information. Now, some of my students have older versions of Adobe programs like Photoshop and InDesign, but a lot of them have the most recent version of Creative Cloud. So I delineate that in the courses and explain the new updates. So as we keep these courses updated and you want to be notified when we add an update or we add more content, so it's not necessarily in response to a software update from Adobe, but maybe we add an entire new section on presenting logos to clients in 3-dimensional spaces and on packaging, like we did recently with our logo design course, in a new section, over an hour of new content about Adobe Dimension, how we can use that to add logos in that software program and therefore present them to clients in a hypothetical 3D space or on packaging, for example. So make sure those are checked in all of your courses that you're enrolled with me on Udemy. Just go into each one and just make sure new announcement emails is checked and also promotional emails is checked. And then when I send updates, you should get an email that's associated with your Udemy account. And you should get those promotional emails as well as the educational emails. We can currently send up to 4 per month, but I don't send too many. And you can also unsubscribe at any time if you want. So I just send educational announcements when we update the courses, or if I have some free educational content related to the course topic that you're enrolled in. So for example, a new Photoshop tutorial I upload to YouTube, I will send that to my Photoshop courses on Udemy. So if you're not in any of my Udemy courses, I encourage you to join them. We add feedback in the linked forums. Our InDesign course is over 13 hours long. The drawing course that we launched a few months ago, that's over 19 hours long. So it's a great opportunity to learn and expand your skills in art and design and with these various Adobe programs. So I'll put links to the courses in the description of this video, so feel free to join us. Thanks.